Hi there, this is Eve signing in. So from time to time I'll be showing you how you can create different shapes and designs of bags or even other items, always using this strip piecing type of free sewing method. You have to refer to the video. You can just click on the video link of the previous video on strip piecing and free sewing. I'm gonna leave it in the link in the description box. And this really colorful bag, there are two different types of strip piecing here, because this is like one done with just two colors and the other one done with multiple colors and put together using that technique, as you'll see in the video. And so the objective is just to show you what different colorful creative designs you can come up with. This is just a simple bag with just a one simple strap, no pockets in, and for the basis of a demonstration. So I'm going to show you just a basic construction of this. So let's get started. These two square pieces, they were treated separately with the strip piecing and the free stitching, and this only strip piecing, just your two patterns, two colors, okay, pattern and black. So I decided to just mix everything up, join them together. So I started with this piece, this square piece, added this separate piece, okay, so I sewed them together. You can see here at the back. I slightly gathered this, so it gives it like a skirty effect. And I did the same on this side here. So with the right sides together, I started stitching along the edge here, okay, and I have to stitch along here too, and at the bottom, one straight stitch at the bottom. Then I'm going to have to do the lining for the inside, turn it inside out and do the lining. So I decided to do this pattern. Okay, I cut out a pattern, and this I'm gonna have to put it on my lining material and cut it out, two of them, to make the lining for this. I sew the lining, of course, right side to right side, and I did leave an opening here at the bottom because I turned the shell of the bag inside out, and this is the way it looks. And what we're gonna do is put the shell, you're gonna put a shell into the lining like this. Then with the seams all lined up, we're gonna do like 1 centimeter, so 1 centimeter from the edge all the way around. So now it's sewed all around like this, the circumference. Then from the opening on the lining, you turn it, you have to turn the shell bring it out like this from the lining. When you bring it out, of course, it looks something like this. When it's all out, it's all sewn around, then you push the shell back in, the open part here, you push it back in. Before you push it back in, you should close it up. Close it up, close up the shell, so you can fold accordingly, like this. You can baste, or you pin and you sew along here to close up this shell, this lining, that is. Now that it's sewn, the opening of the lining, it can be inserted into the bag itself here, like this. And this print that sticks out, I really don't mind leaving it outside. Sometimes you can get it all the way in, but you can do it like this, get it all the way in, or even stitch it along again, really flat, all the way around flat. But it's a beautiful print, and I really don't mind leaving it about 2 centimeters out, like this. So signing off now, till the next video. Have a great day.